Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn It Yourself, and today I'm going to take very important topic, very important problem that we face every year is to make a project report, summer internship report. So to begin with this, let us not waste any more time and let's start. First and foremost thing that I will suggest you to do is select this page, go to the tab and set the margins. For setting up the margins, there are two ways. One is double click on this ruler being displayed on the top and the left side of the page. Second way is you can select layout and go to the margins. Once you will tap this margins, you can select normal, that is 1 inch in all sides. However, because we need to get this file binded, that is why we need to increase the gutter margins. Resultantly, click on this button, custom margins. After clicking on this button, now the pop-up will appear asking you to set the margins of the page. Set the margins as top 1 inch, bottom again same 1 inch, left has to be 1.25 or 1.3, right has to be again 1 inch. Press OK. Once you press this, then start typing what all contents you need on a cover page. For example, if it is a project report, then type project report, enter on, press enter, and then you type it. Let's say comparative study of Amul and dairy. Then it is submitted for the partial fulfillment of let's say courses PGDM. Then you will have to write your faculty guide name. Then submit it. After this, press tab. Tab button is there just above the caps lock button. Press tab. Instead of space, remember to press tab. Then submit it. Fine. Basically, all the content has to be written that will be reflected in a single line. So submitted to will be in the left side of the page and submitted by will be on the other side of the page. So they have been written in a single line. Then name of the guide. Let's say Mr. Mark. And the name of the student is Cody Tipton. The market name belongs to that kid. However, the roll number or the complete enrollment number of Cody is Howard 2020 159. Now, how to take these things in their place? So let's start from the first line. Select this line, project report, up to this subject, up to this course thing, and go to home, press this center button. Or you can simply do it by pressing Ctrl E. Then we need to increase the font size of these kind of headings. So project report is supposed to be written in 16 or 18 font size. Then and change the font type to Times New Roman. Now to set this part, again we need to increase the font size to 12 and then select this and press a tab here. So you can see, since I have already selected all these three lines together, once I tap here, new insertion tab will be inserted and all the lines will start from this tab only. So you can see they are properly formatted now. They are starting in one row, one sequence, and these all three are also starting from single line, single point. So this is how you can always set it. Then one thing that I would like mentioning here is, in case of your title, remember to capitalize first letter of each word except the conjunctions and the prepositions. So in our case, we can do this only S is small. So we can do this by clicking here, change case, and click capitalize each word. Then we can correct the O manually. This is how we can do the formatting. For inserting the college logo, what we can do is go to Insert tab. You must have saved picture before you begin with this. Right? Always remember, whenever you are fitting this particular image, never ever fit the size from these length and width markers. Always go to these diagonal points and then fit the size, so that it is not happening like only height is increasing or only width is increasing. It will decrease or increase proportionately so that it is not distorted in a sense. Then to bring it in center, never use spaces. Again, select this image and press Ctrl E. It will automatically be fitted in the center. Next page is going to be the certificate. Remember, these all pages has to be again in Times New Roman format with the different font sizes and the line spacings. So first of all, let us set this heading, that is certificate. Select this, press center or Ctrl E, then change the font size of all this and then select Times New Roman. You can see that all the sentences, all the lines are beginning from a single line on the left side. However, it is not happening on the right side. To do so, select this paragraph. We can select the paragraph by clicking 3 times in anywhere in the middle of the paragraph. So 1, 2, 3. The paragraph has been selected. Now you can go here and tap this button. You can see the paragraph has been justified. The next thing we had supposed to do is double line spacing. Now we can change the font size. So select the certificate and then increase the font size to 16 and then make it bold. Similarly, select the font of the paragraph and change it to 12. Always remember that you replace these things and update for your project. In our case, the title of the report is The Comparative Study of Amul and Mother Dairy. So best thing that we can do is we can copy it from here. Always remember, after Y1 space has been selected. So always reduce that space while you are selecting this. This can be done by pressing Shift left arrow key on your keyboard, then Control C for copying this. One simplest task or easiest thing that we can do is you can replace this. For replacement, press Control H. The title of the report is Control V, whatever we have copied. Then wherever the title of the report has been written, it has been written like this. So bracket start, title of the report has to be replaced with this. Everywhere, anywhere, it has been mentioned throughout the report. So replace all. So you can see on the second page, along with this certificate, it has been updated in the declaration part also. So you need not to go through the entire paragraph one by one. This can be done easily using the word processor. The name of the college can again be replaced. Control H, Control V, let's say. And then it has to be replaced with the name of your college. Let's say my college is Learn It Yourself. Replace all. Right? So this is how you can do it. Similarly, we can set these things. One signature has to be on the left side and other signature needs to be on the right side. So we can do this with the help of again that tab function. So once we click this here and then go to this place, click before S and then press tab. Again, going before E, pressing tab. So it will go by itself at the designated place. Then, while we want this declaration to start from the second page, next page, never ever press enter, 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 enter to go on next page. The simplest way, and if you want to save your formatting to keep intact while changing the office versions on different computer systems, the best way to control this is press Control Enter. So before clicking this declaration, before D thing, just click this once and then press Control Enter. This is how you can do it. Similarly, going before acknowledgement and then press Enter. I guess you have understood. Now, for easy formatting thing, since I know that I can copy the formatting of certificate to the next page. So the easiest way to do is I can select this certificate by double clicking this paragraph, go to Home tab and then press Format Painter. Then whenever you want to paste it, wherever you want to paste it, let's say declaration, you want to make it like certificate, then paste, just click on it, then it will be formatted like the certificate. Press the Format Painter again and then click on acknowledgement. Then you can see the formatting is done automatically. Similarly, for this paragraph, the formatting like we did for this paragraph can again be copied. So again, select this paragraph, copy the format by clicking the Format Painter and then click on this paragraph. Again the Format Painter and then this paragraph. Again the Format Painter, then this paragraph. Now we can set this. So you can clearly see if you will reduce the viewing zoom of the page, the page number of pages will be more visible on a single screen. So that will increase your visibility and that will enable you to control the things in an easy way. That gives you an eagle eye to look into the things. So this is how you can format your report easily and conveniently using this word processor. In next part of the video, I'll be talking about various ingredients of the report. basically what do all things we do write in the introduction, literature review, and other parts of the report. So next thing that we do in the first few pages of the report, that is, we have to make the table of contents. So to make the table of contents, we actually need a couple of things, and those things include, we have to make a table. So table includes serial number, topic, and page number. So to do this, go to Insert tab, press Table, and then three columns we need. One for serial number, second for topic, and third for page number. Then select the number of rows also. We can adjust this later. So how we can adjust this for, then we can write serial number, then topic, and then page number. Then you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Topic name are going to be introduction, research methodology, objectives of the report. So to save the time, I have already prepared this example table for you. These are the filled entries, very much similar to that we already drew in the previous page. Now to set this part, what we can do is, first of all, set the line. Do not drag the lines from here, because at times only the row which we are selecting will be changed. So better is to control the table from the ruler on the top of the page. So this is how we can do it. Then again, we have to increase the width of the second column, and the third column has to be reduced a bit. So this is how our table is fit for the page width. Next thing that we need to do is set the height. So always see that whenever you select the table, one icon is appearing on the left top corner of the table, and other icon, the box that is appearing is at the bottom right corner of the table. Once you drag your cursor on this icon will turn into both side arrows. Click on this, keep holding your left click, and then drag the table. This is how this table will be spreaded on the full page so that it looks better. You can see this is now looking much better than the earlier. Then to check or make the content best fit for the table, click the bottom top box that has appeared after clicking this. This way we can select the whole table, go to layout, and then click this button. This way all the text will be fitted in the center of the boxes. Then this part has to be center aligned, so we can click this. So depending on your choice and the combinations of the demand of the report, you can format it accordingly. For the further sections and the detail of these compositions of the report, follow my channel and look for the next video. Thank you.